Guys, I'm telling you. So when we come to Arsenal as a team, what Arteta did for them, brought to their table, is not an achievement. It's not an achievement. The year Arteta joined Arsenal, 2019, the following 2 years, Chelsea won Champions League. Chelsea won Champions League. A team winning Champions League is a success. We went ahead and won our first ever FIFA Club trophy. Super Cup we won. That is what we call success in football. This kind of major European trophy we call success in major football. So guys, for that matter, should Arsenal sack Arteta? Should Arsenal sack Arteta this season, sending them to semi-final? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, I know today what we are going to do, it doesn't concern us as Chelsea fans. It is not our matter. It is Arsenal matter. Yes. By the way, as far as they are our brothers, yes, we can talk about them. We are all in the same, neighboring London. So we being rivals doesn't mean we are enemies. No, we are not enemies. Arsenal, I like them. I like Arsenal. In fact, they are making the competition in London so easy for Chelsea. So for me, I like Arsenal fans. I like them. Anytime that they are going to put Chelsea into work, they fail. Anytime that Chelsea, we are feeling maybe the sensation coming from Arsenal, at the end of the day, it go down. So I like Arsenal for that reason. They are not making the competition hard, as I said. Like when we go to Manchester, Man City is there, Manchester United is there. Yes, when you go to Manchester teams, I think the competition there is somehow better than London. When you come to London, Chelsea is there, is just holding everything, heading everything. Chelsea is just the way. So I like Arsenal for that. By the way, guys, let's come to the topic of the day. Should Arsenal sack Arteta? 5.5 years in Arsenal. Mikel Arteta. Let's talk about this, and I will answer the question at the end of this video. So please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Yes, and hit the subscription button. First of all, guys, let's look at Arteta individual as a coach coming to Arsenal. His achievement, his individual achievement for Arsenal, Mikel Arteta. In fact, guys, Arsenal appointed Arteta 2019, 20th December 2019. So technical, let's say 5.5 years. And what did Arteta brought to the table of Arsenal? His achievement in Arsenal. In fact, as I said, let's talk about his individual records. When you look at this Arsenal team, when Arteta came, guys, in fact, Arsenal was finishing 8th, 10th, 8th, 6th. Yes, they were not getting regularly Champions League football. Yes, but when Arteta came, yes, his first season, they finished 8th. But as time goes, Arsenal started getting top 4, getting Champions League football. Yes. So when we come to that aspect, Arteta bringing Arsenal back to Champions League as a coach, he has done well on that aspect. He has done well on that aspect. And also, his debut season, he won the FA Cup. If you can remember, yes, against Chelsea, our dear Chelsea, that was Super Frank Lampard. Yes, our legendary Super Frank Lampard. Yes, the final, he won the FA Cup. So his debut season, he won Arsenal FA Cup. And as time goes, he won them Community Shield. Last season, he won them another Community Shield. So, if we are going to say Community Shield is a trophy, let's manage it to say it's a trophy for the sake of this discussion. Arteta won them 3 trophies. Yes, Arteta won them 3 trophies. Arteta won Arsenal 3 trophies. FA Cup, 2 Community Shield. If Community Shield is a trophy, yes. And when you look at the money he spent closer to 700 million. Arteta spent closer to 700 million in his 5 years staying in Arsenal. Yes, he hasn't delivered them Champions League, no Premier League. Yes, we'll come to Arsenal differently. Arteta bringing to Arsenal as a team, Arsenal as a brand, Arsenal as an entity. Yes, so guys, please continue watching this video. So, Arteta winning Community Shield, FA Cup, bringing them back to regular Champions League football. Last 2 seasons, they play Champions League football, and playing Champions League attracts sponsorship. Yes, it gives the team the money. Yes, European, they are up there. As I said, they get sponsorship deal. The team make money. So it's a positive thing. It's achievement, big achievement. Yes, for that one, I won't lie. So Arteta as a coach, individual, from Pep come assistant manager at Manchester City, coming to Arsenal. Yes, this season, this year, he sent them to the semi-final. Now regularly in Champions League football, finishing top 4, won them FA Cup, won them Community Shield. For Arteta, for me, I would say it's a big achievement for him. For Arteta as an individual, as a coach from Pep camp, it's a big achievement for him. Looking at where he came from assistant manager, as I said, from Pep, to manage a big team like Arsenal, big entity like Arsenal, for Arteta is a big achievement. Yes. And let's come to Arsenal. What Arteta brought to Arsenal. And can we call it a success? Can we call it achievement? When we look at Arsenal as a team, what Arteta brought them. Guys, Arsenal had 13 Premier League titles. Arsenal is a big team. 2006, they played the final with Barcelona. Unfortunately, they lost. Arsenal is a big team. They are legendary, Henry and Co. Yes. And they are legendary Arsene Wenger, the invisible season 2003. Yes, the wonders Arsenal did in that year. Yes, I don't like saying this as a Chelsea fan, but that is the record. That is the history. We have to see it. Yes. So, when we come to Arsenal as a team, it's big. Arsenal is big. So when you look at what Arteta won for them, no. For Arsenal fans, they will not call it a success. If you are a true Arsenal fan, looking at the amount of money, the season Arteta spent in Arsenal, I don't think Arsenal fans will call this achievement or success. Guys, I'm telling you. So when we come to Arsenal as a team, what Arteta did for them, brought to their table, is not an achievement. It's not an achievement. The year Arteta joined Arsenal, 2019, the following 2 years, Chelsea won Champions League. Chelsea won Champions League. A team winning Champions League is a success. We went ahead and won our first ever FIFA Club trophy. Super Cup we won. That is what we call success in football. This kind of major European trophy we call success in major football. So, looking at the amount of money Arteta spent, the fee, the seasons, and Arsenal winning FA Cup, it's normal to Arsenal. When you look at Premier League, Arsenal won the most FA Cups. Yes, even more than Chelsea, Manchester City, and Manchester United. So Arsenal winning FA Cup is not a new thing. Guys, so when we come to Arsenal, what Arteta brought to Arsenal as an Arsenal fan, I don't think they will call it a success. A successful year for Arteta. So guys, for that matter, should Arsenal sack Arteta? Should Arsenal sack Arteta this season, sending them to semi-final? I think, as I said at the beginning, his individual records is an achievement. But when we come to Arsenal as a team, that is not an achievement. That is not a success. So for me, I would say that they should give him another season. Let's see. Let's wait, because sometimes these kind of managers, they need time. Yes, 5 years is enough time. But still, now we are seeing progressing. And even when you look at this Arsenal team, they are lacking some position. Yes, like their striking position. Yes, they need a striker. Kai Havertz is never a striker. If someone who knows Kai Havertz best is Chelsea fans, we brought him to England. We gave him future. We gave him the trophy he can never win in his entire career. So if we are going to talk about fans who knew Kai Havertz best, Chelsea fans, we knew him best. So Havertz is never a striker. Chelsea, we did it with him. It didn't work. At the end of the day, we went and signed Lukaku. If you can remember, it didn't work also. So Havertz is never a striker. He can do it, but he can't do it exactly as a typical number 9 can do it. So I can say this Arsenal team, they still have some excuses. Or I can say Arteta still have some excuses. As you saw this season, Merino is doing it. Yes, playing as a striker, giving them the goals. Sometimes Declan Rice, Saka and Co, Thomas Partey and Co. So they need a typical number 9. And if they give him that 1 year or 2 years and then go and bring him the striker, and maybe that striker is scoring the goals, but at the end of the day, still Arsenal hasn't performed, then maybe they can call for Arteta head. But for me, as a Chelsea fan, my opinion, my decision, my contribution on this is that they should wait maybe another 2 seasons for Arteta or 1 season and give him that prolific striker. Yes, I heard they also want Osimhen, Victor Yogres. And so if in that case, maybe they don't perform again, there they can call for Arteta head. There they can sack Arteta. But for now, sacking Arteta as a Chelsea fan, Mohamed Suleiman Arichima, I don't think it's a nice idea. Arteta sending Arsenal to semi-final. I think this is their 4th semi-final in their history, Champions League semi-final. That is a good resource. The players, they will learn from there. They will get the Champions League experience and come back next season. So they should give Arteta a chance. But the way, if Arsenal decide and sack Arteta, I will not be surprised. I will not be surprised. But for me, I think they should get him a striker and maybe, yes, their midfield and their wings. When you look at their fullbacks, yes, anytime that their first starting 11 is not there, their fullback, and even Saka, they should get someone who will be taking over Saka. Yes, Saka is playing so many games. That is why he's not injury prone. He is tired. If they can get a player to replace Saka, it will be good. Yes. So guys, for me, that is my opinion about Arsenal sacking Mikel Arteta or not. And my Enzo Maresca, let's see, let's hope we'll win the Conference League. If Chelsea win the Conference League, at the end of the day, we'll make top 4. Yes, that is achievement for Enzo Maresca as a coach, coming from Championship, Leicester City. Enzo Maresca achievement. But I, as a Chelsea fan, no, it's not an achievement. Chelsea getting top 4. I've been there with Mourinho since we are winning the Premier League. And so when a manager come and give my Chelsea top 4, why am I celebrating? It's normal. I ever won the Premier League. Want to talk of getting top 4. Champions League, the only team in London to ever hold the Champions League. So no. So Maresca winning the Conference League, sending Chelsea back to Champions League, it's normal to Chelsea fans. But for Maresca, it's a success. Yes. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Today is a match day. That video is here. And the review of the Champions League game, PSG Arsenal, that video is also there. So please click to enjoy those videos. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.